Why your feelings can ruin your health and how you can fix it. Our body speaks, and sometimes our physical condition can be related to our emotions. If we cannot trigger negative emotions, this can lead to physical problems. And the more a person expresses their feelings, the less they get sick. Let's discover some psychological reasons for common diseases and help to avoid unnecessary health problems. 1. Fear can cause allergies and dermatitis. Some researchers say that some common allergic diseases may be related to mental health. Eczema, high fever and asthma can be caused by mental illness. You may have had allergies for years, but the allergen is still unknown. Inner fears can trigger this condition. The symptoms of asthma and dermatitis can be improved or cured by reducing the burden of psychosocial factors. 2. Obsession can evoke problems with weight. Weight problems can be caused and triggered by the obsession or concern of a small mistake or an imaginary mistake. You may be worried about wrinkles, small breasts or other parts of the body. It is very important to take care of your body and, of course, we must do it, but fanaticism can lead to undesirable or dangerous results. 3. Fears and obsessions can cause symptoms of many different diseases at the same time. You may start to worry about a serious illness, although there is no reason to do so. And after thinking too much, you really feel symptoms in your body. An obsession or fixation can be the cause. Sometimes we can overestimate the problems. Fixing on negative feelings only aggravates the situation and makes the disease more real. 4. Emotional conflict and stress can provoke digestive disorders. Our stomach is controlled by a complex system. The stress of life can modulate impulses and cause unwanted reactions. Gastritis and gastritis can be caused by a conflict in your feelings. The inability to take responsibility, grow up and find a way out of difficult conflict. If we refuse to see an internal conflict, he enters the physical state to alert the brain. 5. Self-criticism and fears can cause headaches and migraines. Self-criticism, lack of self-esteem and inner anxiety are reasons that worry and stress you. They may feel humiliated, underrated in one way or another and have to work harder to forgive themselves at certain times. There is too much information in your head. Sometimes we expect too much of ourselves and this can cause other physical problems. 6. Depression and anxiety can provoke cardiac diseases. Recurrent depression and anxiety are associated with a significant increase in the risk of coronary heart disease. Depressive disorders can also trigger critical cardiac events. You become more and more anxious and nervous and you feel your heart beating so fast. This can cause heart problems. What to do to avoid it? 1. When visiting a doctor for physical symptoms, it is also important to consult a psychologist to find the cause of the problem and take the appropriate therapeutic measures. 2. Training in meditation and mindfulness is a good way to reduce stress. Experts say that mindfulness helps us refocus our attention. It is important not to judge yourself and others, and sometimes to distract yourself.